Welcome to Carlin and Gazzard Mercedes-Benz, and thank you for your inquiry on this lovely 2018 Mercedes-Benz A200. We believe that buying a car unseen on site can be very challenging. That's the reason why we put this video specially together for you. Presented in Iridium Silver, this lovely ex-Demonstrator car hatchback is loaded with features like navigation, reverse camera, cruise control, speed limiters and much more. This car also features 18-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels, active parking assist, comfort suspension, diamond radiator grille in black with single lamella in chrome, eco start stop function, electrically folding exterior mirrors and lots more. Some of the safety features of this car includes active bonnet, active brake assist, adaptive head beam assist, anti-lock braking system, attention assist, blind spot assist and much more. Now having a look at the car from inside, we see this car has fully electrical seats with memory function and heating function. Beautiful sports seats in ARTICO leather black. The roof liner on this car is also in black. Here we see the lights cluster, which features the automatic light sensors and also the electronic parking brake button on the left. Here we see the new generation multifunction 3-spoke sports steering wheel with 2 touch controls in chrome finish. This also features the cruise control, speed limiter and the paddle shifters. This car also features the latest MBUX multimedia system. Now this includes the 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster as well as the 10.25-inch central color display. The MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience Multimedia System, displays navigation, reverse camera, radio and other car functions in all high definition. Now having a look at the boot space, we see this car has got a huge boot space. The boot space can be further extended by lowering the rear passenger seats. We're sure you would love this car, and should you have any further inquiries, please give us a call on 088723 8881. Thank you.